everyone, welcome back to Catmosphere. My name is Riya Agarwal, and in this series, we are seeing different problem sets from different topics of logical reasoning section. So, this series will be helpful to anyone who is preparing for entrance exam, which includes logical reasoning as one of the section of the exam. Alright, so this is a check your understanding test series, as in you have to pause the video when you get the question and try the question on your own before you proceed to see the solution. Also, the time that you require to try the set will be mentioned on the set itself. So that is about it. Let's begin. So today we are going to see a quant based reasoning question which involves the concept of logic plus numbers. Let's see it. Miss Radiance went to supermarket with her two bright kids, Chotu and Motu. Chotu and Motu were always proud of identifying fruits of special kind. If a fruit was either an apple or an orange, Chotu would always identify it correctly, and if the fruit was a mango or a guava or a watermelon, then Motu would identify it correctly in the supermarket. 5 baskets of fruits were there. Okay, so some information is given about some fruit identification and collection. There is a table given for Chotu and one table given for Motu. And then there are some questions that we need to solve. So you can pause the video right here and try to solve the sets on your own first, and then you can proceed to see the solution. All right. So let's start with solving now. Okay, so before I proceed, I'll write down some information that might be essential, like Chotu can identify apple. If it is like an orange or apple, Chotu can identify it correctly. Alright, then if it is any fruit out of mango, guava and watermelon, then Motu can identify it correctly. Okay. So there are 5 fruits in the basket in the supermarket. In each basket, there were 20 fruits, which included at least one fruit of each of the above mentioned 5 types. Chotu identified the fruits in each of the 5 baskets and came up with the following details that you can see in the left side table. So this table that you see right here is for Chotu and this table is for Motu. Okay. So in basket 1, Chotu said that there were 5 apples and 3 oranges. And what do we know about Chotu? Chotu always identifies apples and oranges correctly, right? Which means, okay, we cannot mark it here. So you cannot mark it on the screen, right? You have the question on the screen. So what do you do? How do you solve? Suppose even I am doing that. So I have to take the table down on my paper. So it appears that if I take down the table on my paper, it will take me longer. But actually taking down the table on the paper will in turn save me time and also will increase my accuracy. Okay, so it will not take much time. You can quickly take down the table. Apple, orange, mango, guava, watermelon and total. Okay, basket 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what I will do is, instead of making 2 tables, since I'm copying it down on my paper, what I will do is I'll add just one table, and in that only I'll put the count for both of them by taking different columns. Okay, so 5, 3, 7, 4, 1 is for Chotu, and for Motu it is 5, 1, 1, 2, 11. 5, 1, 1, 2, 11. Alright. Next, for this thing, for basket 2 again, for Chotu it is 2, 3, 5, 4 and 6, while for Motu it is 1, 1, 2, 5, 11. 1, 1, 2, 5, 11. For the third basket, Chotu have 1, 3, 8, 2, 6. 1, 3, 8, 2, 6. Right? 1, 1, 3, 8, 2, 6. While Motu have 2, 2, 2, 6, 8. 2, 2, 2, 6, 8. For the fourth basket, Chotu have 2, 2, 2, 3, 11. 2, 2, 2, 3, 11. And Chotu have 2, 1, 4, 7, 6. 2, 1, 4, 7, 6. 7, 7, 4, 2, 0. 7, 7, 4, 2, 0. And 9, 2, 3, 4, 2. 9, 2, 3, 4, 2. See, so on the screen it still took me some time, and because I was doing it neatly for you guys. Otherwise on paper it might still take a minute less than what it took me here. Okay, and now I can be relaxed because I know that my answers are not going to be wrong, because I have it in front of my eyes where I can mark things and figure out things. Okay, so like Chotu will always identify correct apple and oranges. Okay, so Chotu would have taken the count of apple to be 5, and that will be correct because Chotu correctly identifies the apple and orange, while for Motu correctly identifies mango, guava and watermelon. So these are the two informations that we have. So let's see the question now. Find the least possible number of watermelons in all the baskets put together. In all the baskets put together, we have to find the least possible number of watermelons. Okay, so we know that, see here, like Chotu have answered correctly for apple and orange. So we see the number of apple and orange in this basket 1 can be how much? 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, it can be 8 maximum. But Motu claims that there are 11 watermelons, 2 guava and 1 mango. That makes it a total of 14 fruits here. If there are 14 fruits which are mango, guava and watermelon, and we know that each basket only have a total of 20 fruits, right? So in that case, if Motu claims that it is 14 fruits of type, these three types in the basket, then only 6 can be apple or orange. So we can write it like that, that minimum, like it have to be 6 to 8, minimum to maximum values. Okay, this is for apple and orange. And for mango, guava and watermelon, it can be between 12 to 14. Okay, similarly in basket 2, if we calculate the maximum and minimum, we'll get 5 here, and minimum will be what? 2. So 2 to 5, and so here we will get how much? 18 and 15. 15 to 18, right? 15 to 18. Let's put that. Okay, next we have this 4 and 4. So this is confirmed, it's 4, 4. Okay, the other values, what will it be? So in this case we see it's 16, and in this case also it's 16. In the fourth basket, what do we see? 2 plus 2, 4 and 3. So it can be either 3 or 4. Therefore, this will be either 17 or 16. In this case, it can be 14 or 11. So either 11 or 14. And in this case, it will be 6 or 9. Okay. Alright. So now find the least possible number of watermelons. For that, what we will do is, we will take apple, orange, mango, guava to be the highest possible. So as per what Chotu and Motu have claimed, we will take the correct count for Chotu for apple and orange, that will give us 8, and correct count for mango and guava by Motu, that will give us 3. So 8 plus 3 is what? 11. Therefore the minimum watermelons that needs to be there is 9. Minimum watermelon that needs to be there in case of the first basket is 9. In case of second basket, what do we have? See here, 5 plus 7, that is 12, which means 8. In this case, we have 4 plus 12. Sorry, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8, that is 12, which means again 8 in this case. In this case, 4. Okay, I'm adding apple and orange from Chotu's side and mango and guava from Motu's side. So 2 to 4, 4, 8, 7, 15, which means 5. And in this case, 7, 7, 14 plus, no, in this case, if we go for 7, 7, 14 plus 7, it will become 21. But we know that the total fruits are only 20. So in the last case, how many should be the watermelons? It have to be 1. It cannot be 0 also, it have to be 1, because it is given that each basket have at least one count of each type of fruit. Okay? So this is what we have. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8, 26 plus 5, 31. So the correct answer for the first question is option D, 31. Next question. Which of the following statements is definitely false? The number of mangoes in basket 4 is 1. Mangoes in basket 4. Can that be 1? Is that possible? Let's check. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 13, and even if we take 4, it's how much? 17. Which means if we take 7 plus 6, that we have taken the... No, we have to take the highest possible, no? So if we take 11 plus 3 in this case also, so it will be what? 14. 14 plus 4, 18. Still mango at least have to be 2. It cannot be 1. Okay? It cannot be 1. Next one, the number of mangoes in basket 4 is 3. That appears to be true. That is like possible. Okay? That is possible. The number of apples in basket 1 is 3. Apple in basket 1 can be 3. Let's check. So if we go for the highest value for mango, guava, watermelon, that is 14. And then for orange, if we go for 3, then it is possible that apple is also 3. Right? That is possible. Okay, the number of watermelon in basket 2 is 9. Basket 2 is 9 is again possible. But first one we see is never possible. The number of mangoes in basket 4, minimum needs to be 2. Okay, so the correct answer is option 1. Next one, question 3. If the number of guavas in basket 4 is 6, if the number of guavas in basket 4 is 6, okay, then find the number of oranges in basket 4. If the guavas are 6, we need to find oranges in basket 4. Okay, if guavas are 6, also for this we can go with, what is the maximum value for basket 4? It is 17. Okay, it is 17. Even if we go with that, so can we determine that how many, find the number of oranges in basket 4. Can we actually determine that? No, right? Because if we go for 17, now we can, 3 are left. We can go with 2 apple or 1 orange, or we can go with 1 orange and 2 apple. Can we do that? Is it cannot be determined, or should it be option A? What should it be? So for once it looks like that the answer will be cannot be determined, because we are not able to figure that out. But that is not actually correct. Option D is not the correct answer. Then what is the answer? The answer is 2. How? Because if the count of guava is actually 6, which means that Motu have made one extra count. It means that Motu have made one extra count for guava, which means the total fruits, this mango, guava and watermelon, will be how many? 6 plus 6 plus 4. That is 16. So remaining 4 fruits need to be apple and orange. So we can see that there will be 2 apple and 2 orange according to Chotu's count. Okay. So the correct answer is option 2. Correct answer is option 2. In this case, it was option 1. Alright. Last question with the given information, in how many of the 5 baskets can the number of mangoes be determined correctly? With the given information, how many of the 5 baskets can you determine the number of mangoes correctly? Okay, so in this case we see, in the first case, Motu, who always give correct answers for mango, guava and watermelon, have identified only 1 mango here, right? Motu have identified only 1 mango here. So can that be correct? Can we tell that the mangoes there that Motu have identified are correct? Since we know that each basket have at least one count of each type of fruit, so we can say that there is only one mango in basket 1. So that we can be sure of. Next, in basket 2, can we say anything? Basket 2, it says 2. We are not definite, even if suppose he have gone wrong here, or if this number have to be taken, then it can again be wrong. So in this case we cannot specify. Okay, but in the next one, in basket 3, whatever happens, we see that the minimum and maximum, the apple and orange together have to be 4, and mango, guava and watermelon together have to be 16. Okay, since Motu have identified 2 mangoes, 6 guavas and 8 watermelons in basket 3, which adds up to 16, we can say that there will be exactly 2 mangoes. We can say that Motu is right in this case as well. Okay, what about the other cases? In this case, can we uniquely find it? No, because if the count is 16 or 17, it can vary accordingly. According to that, mango, the count of mango can vary. Similarly, in the last case also, it is not possible to exactly determine. So only in 2 cases, only for 2 baskets, the number of mangoes can be correctly determined. So that's it. We are done with this question. We'll see more sets in the next class. Thank you. Bye.